A bit more. So it's in Belgium, this is very popular. So this is how I make it. So guys, today we're gonna to make waffle. Waffle is like a pancake, but it's different. So we have here I have here 50 gram of butter, melting butter, and now sugar. Put the sugar here. Yeah, also 50 gram of sugar. Okay, you do it hot. Okay, someone is helping me. He want today to make the waffles.
Yeah.
I want to make donut, but he prepared to make waffle. He said he want to eat waffle. And that is the machine. Okay, like this. Put the egg. One egg.
Dan moet ik dat nu doen.
Yeah, one egg. Yeah.
Toch?
Ja, aduk dulu.
Ja.
Je moet zo doen.
Ik ga ook zo doen.
Vasthouden de kommetje.
Nog?
Yeah, good so. And here we have the flour. The flour is 200 gram, 200 water, and 1 packet of baking powder. Doe maar hier.
Tot dat licht.
Klein beetje, little by little we add the flour.
Adoen.
Wat eventjes. Goed wel, allemaal.
Nu? Tot dat licht is, ja?
Vanilla essence. Je moet scheiden. Come on. We put all of this. Oh, they don't have it. Just like this, guys. 1 bottle of this one. Vanilla essence. 1 bottle of this. Salt. And water. Okay, now you do it. Add water little by little till it's all mixed. Guys, because I forgot the milk, so water, we just use half cup of water and we add the milk
Mag ik
little
dat?
by little.
Ja. Tot dat op is, ja?
Oh, niet te veel, hè?
Zo.
As we put the butter here to make sure it's not stick. Yeah. And then we take.
Mama,
Yeah.
ik wil 100
Yeah.
wafels.
A bit more. Because need to be big if you want big. So close it and wait till the light is green and the waffle is done. It's green. This is perfect. This is small, this one big, but it's okay. So the waffle is done, guys, and this is how I make the waffles. How you make it is different kitchen, different people, different how they make it. And really, if you can try and taste this one is really nice. So we add the sugar on top, powder sugar.
Game classes.
Yeah, dat is genoeg. And you can add whatever you want. And you want to add the beslag. So this is for the kids versie. So oké, dat is genoeg. Oké, eet smakelijk. Lekker.
Yeah.
Okay guys, that is for today. Hope you enjoy watching this video, and again, this is only how I do my recipe. So
Mag ik
bye bye, see you next time.
Mag ik gewoon nog waffle?
Yeah. Hope you enjoy watching this video, and don't forget like, comment, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye bye.